How to make a capital J. Okay, well, a capital J can be very easy if you don't have the bar that goes across the top, and I'll show you how to do that first. You blow up a balloon, and you're going to want a nice crook, so you squeeze air out and let it back in, and that makes a very nice crook. And so you can cut it off there, and there you have your J. But if you want it to have a crossbar, then you simply put a crossbar in. It's not that difficult. This, like that. You're going to cut this off, but leave enough to tie. And then use this part for the other part of that. Tie it. And come back here. That's the thing about these J's, they try to get away. Okay, and put it like that. See? Very easy. Just take that, it's got a little tiny knot in there, and isn't that beautiful? Look at that J. Okay, so to make a lowercase j, it'll be very similar to how we made the I. What we're going to do is blow up a balloon and make the crook. And twist it there, hold it, a lowercase j. And capital J and a now you see in this case the lowercase j is bigger than the capital J. It's just a optical illusion because of how I'm moving them back and forth. This is actually smaller than this. K is coming next. If you want to shorten the J, you can just shorten the J because it was too long. I was just kidding. So you just pop off however much of the balloon you want to pop off and tie it. I don't pop it off that end because I want the nice round untied portion to be there for the little dot on the top of the J. And there's a little bit better proportional lowercase j. Don't you think? Nice, huh? J. And again, if you want things more defined, you can always do that. Like here, I could do a pinch twist, and it would be more defined if you wanted it to be. It's up to you. It depends on the look that you're after. And I can even do one here. But I really think the curve looks better than a more defined one. That's a better J, actually. Yeah, let's put that up with our capital J. And that will be our defining J. Optical. Okay, thanks. K coming next.